We had decided on an early rise. We got a reasonable amount to fit in today. Time has a way of simply dilating on tour, and we just want to do every moment justice. Enjoying nostalgia in real time, to reminisce in years to come, brings total fulfilment, at least for me anyway. Heading north today to base camp number 2, the Reservoir. We hook up the bikes, we do some final checks. Getting out of the woods with many rivers to cross, never entirely knowing what's around the corner. We throttle back, moving up and onwards, always full tilt, facing whatever is about to shape our day in these mountainous regions. Welcome back to the channel, people. Chapter 3. I've been mad for fucking years. Absolutely years. Been over the edge for yonks. I've always been mad. I know I've been mad. Like the most of us have. These words are undeniably relatable. It's very hard to explain you're mad, even if you're not mad. Some tours in life sit with you more than others. They become part of who you are. Motocamping, motography, adventure bike riding are my therapy, as they are for many, all at the hands of my Throttle, put into film to reflect. This is my vice now. It's where I'm at one, the most, listening to louder thoughts than ever. Wales is delivering the goods. It's given me moments in clarity. We got some miles to do today, so we're chewing away at them. After a coffee and a light bite at camp, we find a great pit stop cafe to put some top-up nourishment in us. Our days on tour are very much punctuated with food and that first ale at camp, ravenous after riding for that first sip. We all know that one. We stood back, looking at our bikes, lined up, next to one another. A striking resemblance of us three at school, sent out the classroom, waiting for a right rollicking to happen. Made us chuckle. This lovely little cafe in a place called Irwood, with a decommissioned train and platform with tables on it, is quite a popular spot for the local bikers apparently. Nice bit of grub too.
The proper ancient trees.
Continuing on, nourished now, plentiful, We keep off the main roads, bounty hunting, spectacles of delight, chatting pure gibberish to one another. These beautiful pines, standing tall against the river, ooze the fragrant scent, sending the senses, almost reminding you of Christmas. But hang on a minute, let's not wish summer away. I'm just getting into all this. You know how quick our summers go. After a quick stretch and some battery changes, Wales delivers the goods again, with some priceless gifts. Soak it all up, we did. But there's a warning lurking in the mountain ranges. We're committed. We're going to face it head on, ride it out. Well, fingers crossed. Sooner or later though, mate, it was bound to happen. Almost inevitable. Skies darken, winds bluster, temperature dips. We can smell moisture in the air. But it's no drama, not for us. These clouds were just a warning perhaps. And we were feeling lucky. The sky was looking angry, moody and disgruntled at our perseverance in pushing forward for its weather system. Very common to Wales. These mountains, for years, taking the brunt of the Atlantic's monstrosity with nature's power. We clambered around the mountain pass, found a spot, put our cameras back on to receive and film more deliveries of stunning gifts from a Welsh Wales. Thankfully, we didn't get too wet. It was just a warning shot. Though we're not made of toilet paper, we do prefer, as we all do, dry, bright roads, just to exploit the beauty of this grand place. The best way to see this place is of course with the naked eye. Certain cameras don't give you that field of depth that the eye can give you. So it was time to swap 2 wheels for 4 props, the eye in the sky, my DJ eye.
Look at that, John. Look, there it is. Wow, look at that.
As we rode in closer, this dam greeted us with its might and glory.
Look at that rock face.
We didn't want the day to end, but it was closing in. On approach to our second campsite, we encountered some lush green forest tracks and road. Just beautiful. We actually felt like we was in a chase scene in Return of the Jedi in the forest moon of Endor. For a moment, we were childishly scout troopers on speeder bikes, scoring through the woods. What a blast. Now you may have noticed, I don't leave too much info on routes, roads, names of places. I think it's for you to explore, in the name of creating your own quest and adventures. And that's how we roll. Create your own path. Make it also feel uncharted for yourself. It really adds to all of it.
Should be our view. Should be a big lake here. Hey, here we are.
And there it was, in all its majesty, our first glimpse of our reservoir camp.
Wow.
That first bottle of cold ale moment was edging closer by a mile. Such a place, you could have been in Gambia, Africa. Beauty in every glance.
No. Yeah.
Here we were, home for 2 nights, as wild as you'll get for camping. Bod was on the lookout for any hill patrol or any movement. John, meanwhile, supping an ale, particularly excited with this little dance of his for some campsite cooking. All that coming up in chapter 4 and more. Thanks for watching, people. Safe riding. Don't forget, if you've enjoyed any of this, hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment.